My name is Anthony.
My name is Mustafa. My name is Mustafa. I tell you what is motion. While objects change their position with time set to their motion.
Number first, periodic motion. The motion which repeats itself at a regular interval of time is called periodic motion.
I will tell you what is circular motion. The movement of a body along a circular path, it is called circular motion. Circular motion is a special type of curvilinear motion. I tell you what is accidental motion. Accidental motion. The to and fro motion of a body along the same path is called accidental motion. Rectilinear motion. The movement of a body along a straight path is called rectilinear motion. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sanya.
My name is Sarah.
My name is Natasha.
My name is Mohammad Aris.
We are the students of class 8 and our project is solar system.
Solar system. Our solar system refers to star and other objects that move around it. Solar system. Our solar system comprises the sun and other celestial bodies that revolve around it. Our solar system has 4,402 known planets. Our solar system has 8 non-planets. These are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Let us know about our planets more.
Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun and it is the smallest planet of our solar system. Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system and it is also known as morning and evening star.
Earth is the only planet in our solar system which exists life. Mars takes 23 hours 56 minutes to complete one rotation.
You know, Jupiter is the 5th planet of our solar system and Jupiter is the fastest and largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter can be seen with our naked eye and Jupiter will take 11.64 years to complete her rotation. Saturn is our 6th planet in our solar system and Saturn has a large number of satellites. Saturn rings are made up of 90% water. These are not visible with naked eye.
Uranus and Neptune are the outermost planet of our solar system. Like Venus, Uranus also rotates from east to west. The most remarkable feature of Uranus is that it has highly tilted rotational axis. It has 14 moons and also has a faint rings. Neptune is a very windy place with a great storm called Great Dark Spot. It also has a faint rings like Uranus and has 14 moons.
Thank you.
My name is
And we are in student of class. This is the model of conductivity of metal and matter. Now I am going to tell you about conductivity. Conductivity is the atomic and metal permit and material.
The material that allow electricity to pass through them are called conductors. All metals are called conductors.
The material that do not allow electricity to pass through them are called insulators. Non-metals are insulators, but graphite is the only non-metal that are insulators.
Show all metals. Which metal is this?
Iron.
What it shows?
It shows that electricity is passed.
Okay.
And this shows that electricity is not passed.
Show every single thing. Okay.
My name is Hiba. My name is Sayyid Gohar Nakvi and we are the students of class 6.
So my project is reflection of light. Now I will tell you about light reflection. Bouncing back of light after falling on a smooth surface like mirror, it is called reflection. We can see the object reflection of light.
So my topic is laws of reflection. Laws of reflection is defined as the principle when the light rays fall on the smooth surface, the angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Also the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal to the surface all lie in the same plane. So my topic is reflection of light. What is reflection of light? When a ray of light approaches a smooth polished surface and the light ray bounces back, it is called the reflection of light.
And you see these straight lines due to the reflection of mirror. Thank you.
Good morning. We are the students of class 8. My name is Ashna Parveen. My name is Farihan Sari. My name is Aradhya Sharma. Today we are going to present phases of moon. As we know, moon changes its shape and size day by day. This process is called phases of moon. There are 8 types of phases of moon: new moon, waxing crescent moon, quarter moon, waning gibbous moon, full moon, waning gibbous moon, and last quarter moon, waning crescent moon, and new moon. New moon. When the moon parts, all dark, we have new moon. Waxing crescent moon. After new moon, we see silver, and which books as they go by this phase is waxing crescent moon. There was quarter moon. In the quarter moon, we see the half part of the moon, waxing crescent gibbous moon. We see the more and more illuminated part of the moon, full moon. We see the full moon of the moon. After the full moon, we see the more white part and little black part. This phase is called waning crescent moon. And then again we see half white part and black part. This phase is called the last quarter moon. And this is again little white arc and little silver arc and black part. This phase is called waxing crescent moon. Then again this is our new moon. Thank you.
Good morning, all of you.
My name is Sastha.
My name is Mayan.
My name is Muzafa.
My name is Aditya Singh Rawat.
We are the students of class 8.
Our science project is vacuum cleaner.
What is vacuum cleaner?
Vacuum cleaner is a device that used to clean dirt and dust from the floor, and it works on the principle of air pressure.
How to make a vacuum cleaner? Firstly, we take a PVC pipe and second step, take a 775 DC motor, and after we take a PVC sheet to make a fan as shown as a figure. After we fit in the vacuum cleaner
Motor and the fan.
and
Wire the motor.
cover with head cap. After we make a filter to see the motor is working or not. After we attach
The filter in the vacuum cleaner, and we take a PVC reducer and fix to the front side of the vacuum cleaner, and take 2 L's to make handle, and take a on-off switch to on off the vacuum cleaner. Take female and male socket and connect to the charger to pass out the electricity, and your vacuum cleaner is ready, only on in 17 steps.
Thank you.
Good morning, class. And all of us, we are the student of class 7. Today we will represent in front of you 3D hologram. Myself Asha. Myself Abdullah. Definition.
Definition of 3D hologram. Reflection of light. When a ray of light appears in a smooth polished surface and a ray of light bounces back, it's called reflection of light.
Now we understand you how the views work. We study by here, but the the image of mobile is seen there. But what's the reason behind this? That's the reason because we set a line flashy here, and if we will apply any mobile image on the any shiny surface, that will be seen on any shining surface. Reflection. Because it's happened because reflection of light. That's all about.
दोबारा.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ashanani. I am a student of class 7th. This is Newton disc. It was invented by Isaac Newton. It is a circular disc painted with 7 colors of rainbow. When disc is rotated, it appears to be white. The 7 colors of rainbow are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Muhammad Afan. Myself Ali Ahmad. Myself Ali. We are the children of class 6 representing a working model of photosynthesis. So firstly, Aris is going to tell us about the introduction.
The leaves will speak from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. In this process, plants prepare their food from starch. Some of the starch used plant as food is stored by other parts of the plant. In other parts of the plant, sugar and starch both process can be understood through and now following equations: carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight upon chlorophyll, starch plus oxygen. Thank you.
Now I tell you about the one. So firstly, any plant needs 3 basic things to prepare food. These are sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. They are the roots that go deeply inside the soil and then extract water and transport it to the stem and transport to leaves and other parts of the plant. Then becomes a lot of sunlight. When sunlight falls on plant, the plant absorbs it. The third thing is carbon dioxide. As we all know that carbon dioxide is present in the air, and if we see a leaf with a magnifying glass, we will find out that there are some small pore-like holes called stomata. From these stomata, carbon dioxide enters the plant. So let me get back to the leaf in which an internal process happens in which oxygen is formed. The oxygen escapes the plant from the stomata and enters the air. By the way, food is also formed in the form of starch and sugar. Some of the starch and sugar is consumed by the plant for food and later, and some is stored for later food consumption. So there is a question in our mind that what is the meaning of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is made up of 2 words called photo and synthesis, in which photo means light and synthesis means processing, and the word photosynthesis means processing. And the word photosynthesis is a mean processing with light, in which plant make food with light.
Now I am let go about what does photosynthesis produce. During photosynthesis, plant taking carbon dioxide, CO2 and water H2O from air and the soil. Within the plant cells, the water is oxidized, meaning it loses while the carbon dioxide it reduces, meaning it loses gain electrons. This transforms the water into oxygen and carbon dioxide into glucose. Photosynthesis converts carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and glucose. Glucose is used as food by the.
Good morning everyone. Myself Sahil Yadav and I am the student of class 7.
Myself Sudhan Ansari and I am the student of class.
This is the structure of mechanism of breathing. This is our air pipe. We inhale the air in the form of oxygen. Then our mouth passes the air through our air pipes and our air pipe passes the air to the lungs. This process is called inhalation.
Exhalation is the process in which carbon dioxide comes out from the body.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Aram from class 4. Good morning everyone. My name is Arya from class 4. My topic is type of fabric. There are 2 fabrics: natural fabric, man-made fabric. Natural fabric: cotton, woolen, jute, liners. We get natural fabric from plants and animals. We get natural fabric from plants or animals. We get man-made fabric from factories. Nylon, polyester is man-made fabric. Fabric made from synthetic fiber is stretchable, durable, waterproof, wrinkle-free, and strong. Thank you. Thank you.
My city editing food class. Today I am telling about layer of earth. Layer of earth are crust, mantle, core. The crust is everything we can learn. We can see and study directly. Mantle. The metal is the most solid bulk of earth interior. Third, the core. Earth core is the very hot and very dense center of our planet. Thank you.
My name is Mohammad Yasir Shafi. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Mohammad Ali Shafi from class 5th. My topic name is solar cells. My topic name is solar cell. A solar cell is a device that converts energy from the sun directly into electrical energy from the sun. Electrical energy. A solar cell is a device that source of electrical energy which gets electrical energy from light energy. Thank you. A solar cell is an electrical device that converts the energy of light directly into electricity by the photovoltaic effect, which is a physical and chemical phenomenon. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Suman. I am from class 5. My topic name is day and night. The earth spins like a top from west to east on its own. The earth axis is an imaginary line that passes through its center. This movement is called rotation. The one rotation of the earth takes 24 hours. Rotation causes day and night on the earth. This is day and this is night. The part of the earth receives sunlight. Has day, while the other part away from the sun has night. Thank you.
दरवाजा बंद कर दो ये नेक्स्ट आ जाओ हमारा
My name is Neil Kumar. I read in class 8. Today's my topic is solar eclipse. When the moon is come between the sun and the earth, we know that the moon is nearer to the earth. When the moon revolves around the sun, it sometimes comes between the sun and the earth. In other words, you can say the shadow of the moon cast to the earth on the earth. This is called solar eclipse. Thank you.
My name is Anshul Kansal and I am studying in class 8 from Pahan International School. My project name is hydraulic lift. Hydraulic means anything that works with water pressure, and lift means an elevator who helps in moving things up and down. So this project is about an elevator operated by fluid pressure. When I press this brake, it creates pressure due to which the bridge moves.
It creates pressure due to which this bridge moves up and down. Hydraulic lifts are used in variety of different applications. They are used in waste removal, mining, construction, and more.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ahmad. I am a student of class 4. We will tell you about it. Pulley uses a rope wheel and rope. It uses a raised over or up to move out and weight.
Pulley is used in cranes to move or to move a uncertain equipment, and also the used in the village or zero water from lifting the wells. When you move this spinner pulley helps but it to the down, and we can easily lift him the way. What is lunar eclipse? It occurs when the Earth meters of maximum moon, sun and moon is called lunar eclipse. There are this is sun, this is our Earth, that is moon. There are two types of lunar eclipse: a total lunar eclipse, a partial lunar eclipse. A total lunar eclipse, the sun and moon and its shadow can cover the moonlight and watchers can see the moon from there. And a partial lunar eclipse, it occurs when the Earth comes between the full moon and the sun, is called a partial lunar eclipse.
इसे वैक्यूम क्लीनर पकड़े चारों एक बार साथ में आ जाओ, इसे बीच में रख लो। नाइस, ओके। ऑन कर। बंद कर। सोफिया का चला के
ये वाले मैम वाटर लिया मैं लेके आ रही हूँ, मैं सबके
इधर देख। के दिखा. Explain it, move it.
Same pen.
नहीं हुआ move. Okay. ये वाला कर.
This is made by you? Are you sure? बहुत अच्छा. Okay. Anything you want to add in this? आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहिए? Why this is shown? इसका कोई reason है? What? Show. इसका बताइए reason क्या है इसमें in between? Reflection of light. We can see this with this light only. If you will not keep this thing, will you be able to see if light is not there? No. You can only see once the light is there. So the light plays the important role. Very good. Okay. Very good. But try to give answer in English. ठीक है ना?
My name is Sarah.
My name is Mohammed Arish.
Okay.
And this is our model of solar system.
Okay.
This is our sun. This is our Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
The planet rotate on its own axis is called rotation.
When it revolves around the sun, is called revolution.
This also. Okay. Okay. You have to present, then second person has to present it, then third one. Not in between. Right? Your presentation is good and it's a very working model also. You have prepared it by yourself. आप लोगों ने बनाया?
We are the students of class 7. Sir, this is the model of mechanism of breathing. Sir, we inhale with oxygen, then this is the earth, air pipe, and then it passes it air to the lungs, and then lungs swell. Then we exhale air, the lungs outwards the air to this pipe, and we get carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. So this is the experiment of respiratory, respiration you can say, है ना? So in this we can see that the movement of lungs, but in this heart also plays solar panels. So because solar is a upcoming energy through which you can convert it to what? Electricity, है ना? So energy is converting, photovoltaic. Photo means light. So again the solar is light and through which you are converting into electricity. So God bless you. It's a very great experiment.
ओके सही बच्चे चेयर करेंगे अपने फ्रेंड्स को चेयर करेंगे और पीछे हो जाए लाइन से पीछे हो जाए ऑन योर मार्क अपने लाइन सेट करो सेट गो
मायरा
गो
आइए, जिसका गिर गया साइड में हो जाओ, जिसका गिर गया हट जाओ वहां से। वेरी गुड, दैट गर्ल। आइए,
हाथ नहीं लगाना, हाथ लगाते आप और डिस्क्वालिफाई में आ जाओगे। गिर गया क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? लीशा।
इजान बीच में हो, थोड़ा लाइन पे टच हो गए तो आउट हो जाओगे। हाँ बस
ऑन योर लाइन को क्रॉस नहीं करना किसी को।
ये उसका ध्यान नहीं था ना।
गो
जाइए,
पकड़ो इसको, पकड़ो जल्दी पकड़ो, जल्दी पकड़ो।
भाग कर आओ, उधर से भाग कर आओ। सामने देखिए, मायरा
रेडी सेट गो जल्दी 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 फास्ट
ये क्लैपिंग कीजिए, क्लैपिंग।